hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome to drboycetv.com, the home for intelligent Black people. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I want to talk to you guys about this stock market. How about this stock market? It's been kind of crazy, kind of ridiculous, and everything's a little bit all over the place. And so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my perspectives in terms of what I think happened and what I suspect could happen next. And also, stick around to the end of the video. I'll give you some stocks that you may want to take a look at as places that you can make good long-term investments. So before I begin, let me ask you this. Can you give me a yes if you can hear me? Give me a quick yes. I always have those audio issues. I want to make sure I'm coming through okay. And while you put your yeses in the chat, I want to remind you that this podcast is on Spotify. So you can go to Spotify and look me up. Just look for the name Boyce Watkins, and you'll find me on Spotify. And I see the yeses. Thank you, Jen and Greg and Tanya and Tony and everybody else. I appreciate you very much. Now let's get it cracking. Let's jump right into it. All right. So what happened today in the market? Let me first of all say this. Yesterday, if you remember, let me know if you remember this. I told you yesterday, I said this too shall pass. Yesterday was a great day. It was like the end of the Wiz. Can you feel a brand new day? And a lot of y'all were singing and dancing in the streets because you were making so much money, and I was really happy for you. But one of the things I mentioned to you is that this is a volatile market. This is a chaotic situation. This is historically unprecedented. And basically, I told you that this can disappear very quickly. And if you remember, if you listened yesterday, you'll know that I was mentioning to you that when the sun comes out, that's when you batten down the hatches. That's when you prepare for the next thunderstorm, because you know the storm is coming. It's not an if, it is definitely a when. And now this storm came a little bit faster than we thought. I mean, today, my gosh, the market went down insanely by an insane amount. I think over 1,000 points. The Dow plummeted by 2.5%, which reversed a big chunk of the gains yesterday. Not all the gains though, but a big chunk of them. The S&P 500 fell by about 3.5%. So the big catalyst of the decline has to do with Trump's war with China. Trump and China have been getting gangster with each other. This could be not just get ugly from an economic standpoint. This can get ugly from a geopolitical and military standpoint. When you have less economic connection, then you have fewer reasons not to go to war with each other. And remember, China's sitting right next to Taiwan. They are now investing more in their military. They are doing military exercises in the South China Sea. So this is something that does concern me. I really kind of wish we would kind of knock it off a little bit when it comes to China and find some way to negotiate. I'm not saying that higher tariffs are not called for. I think that they could be. There's an argument for that. But I think that if you are being absolutely positively ridiculous in terms of your negotiating tactic, then you're going to have an issue there. With that being said, also investor sentiment is continuing to drop. The tariff policies have basically heightened market uncertainty. A lot of experts say we are now at about 50-50 or maybe even 60-40 in favor of a recession coming up in the next year. So many experts predict that there's a very strong likelihood that we're going to have a recession